Hi, my name is Fabio Ferrari. I'm an associate professor of cultural studies and comparative literature, and I'm teaching a class on cultural intelligence and diversity practices in business for the MSIM. I think leadership without sensitivity to diversity and leadership without an understanding of what cultural intelligence means is no longer considered leadership. In the 21st century, the soft skills that used to be defined as such in the 20th century are essential skills, and that's why we're putting them at the forefront of learning in the MSIM program. At Franklin, I've taught queer studies classes, I've taught science fiction, film classes. It's always about an encounter with the other, and the other can be on an alien planet, or it can be the neighbor that you've always been afraid to knock on her door. In this context, it's about business, and it's about success in business, but with a global perspective and a social conscience. And that's a new adventure for me. It's a new travel, and I'm excited to embark on this travel with MSIM. I wish I had a class like this at university, so I'm looking forward to it.